Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. Today we're going to take a look at Sonoma Flatbreads Ultimate 4-Cheese Keto Certified Pizza. Kind of excited to see this one. Normally the rest of their pizzas are not keto certified, but in this case this one is. 320 calories for half the pizza and 11 grams of carbs, 5 grams of fiber. So your net obviously is only 6 grams per, which it doesn't, never mind, it's right here, 6 grams per serving. So there's only 12 grams in this whole thing, which is fantastic. Generally speaking on these, I will throw on a bunch of pepperoni so that then I can only eat half, I only have to eat half the pizza. But today we're not going to do that, we're just going to eat it as it is. So we got the oven at 425, 20 minutes from now we should have a pizza. So we'll see you in a few minutes. Alright, so here's what it looks like. The crust is very thin. You will note that it's nice and browned around the edges. I did put it directly on the rack for the last minute or so. Probably should have done that a little bit earlier because the middle's still a little bit droopy. It's pretty good. The outer edges definitely got a little bit of crisp to it. Like I said, I probably should have put it on the rack a little earlier. It's not a super intense flavor at all. It's very, dare I say it, bland. The tomato sauce is got a little bit of that darkness to it. It's not super bright. It's certainly kind of a throwback. I mean, it's fine. It's not super exciting. The one thing I will say, even though it is a cauliflower crust that it's talking about, you don't get any cauliflower until the very, very end. And then it's just very minor. So it has a little bit of that, kind of that sulfury flavor. So if you just despise cauliflower, you probably want to steer away from this. But in terms of, generally speaking, would I buy it again? Sure. I'm not going to go out of my way to get it over some other brand. And again, generally the way that I would make this is I would put a lot of pepperoni on it to make it a little bit more flavorful or whatever. But I'd give it a solid 7. It's fine. Not my favorite, but certainly not bad by any stretch of the imagination. It's not, you're not choking it down, I guess is the point, which, you know, with some of the things I've had in the past, I would definitely say that they fell into more of that category. So with that, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Have a great day.